I will do another practicing video on noun number agreement 1 through 10, two groups. The first group 1 through 2 and the second group 3 to 10. Remember what I said? I said if you know the rules 1 through 2, then 3 to 10 are the opposite. So this is what I want you to do. How you say two cars. Remember we have dual noun here. So be careful how to write down your answers. How you say 5 telephones, 4 brothers. Look at the noun as singular. You never look at the noun as plural. So you can decide agree or disagree and gender. If you look at it as a plural, you will make mistakes all the time. Look at the noun as a singular. سيارة is feminine. هاتف is masculine. أخ, brother, masculine. If you look at the brother as plural, إخوة, which is this one, you will think, oh, this is feminine, which is not. Brothers, it's not feminine. That's why all the time your key answer for each question regarding noun number agreement is your noun as a singular. Then we have دفتر, masculine. We have تفاحة, an apple, feminine. And please try to remember all the vocab that we keep doing every single video. I will stop translating after a while. So you have to know سيارة is a car. هاتف is a telephone. أخ is a brother. We did this before so many times. دفتر, notebook. تفاحة, an apple. Now, please write down your answers, stop the video, and I will share my answers with you. So stop it right now and keep practicing. Here are the correct answers. We have number 2 and سيارة. Remember we said anytime 2, we have to follow dual nouns rules. You suffix ألف نون or you suffix يا نون. Do I need the plural here? The answer is no. I need it only 3 to 10. This is 2, so I'm following 1 and 2. And this is dual noun, so remember dual noun all the time you suffix ألف نون or يا نون to the noun. If you forgot all these rules, go back to the previous videos and check dual nouns. So سيارتان اثنتان. Is it enough to say سيارتان and stop right here? Yes. If you say سيارتان, it's enough. If you want to follow rules, noun comes first, check. Agree and gender, check. 5 and we have telephones. هاتف is masculine. 3 to 10, noun should be plural, then I need هواتف now. So the number should be feminine. Disagree and gender. So we say 5 هواتف. Number comes first, check. Disagree and gender, yes. And the noun is a plural, check. Every time you finish any practicing on noun number agreement, check your answers with the rules. That's why I like every time to write the rules right here before you start answering the questions. 4 and we have أخ and إخوة. إخوة, brothers, and I know it ends with تا مربوطة, but this is one of the nouns that ends with تا مربوطة, but it's not feminine, it's masculine. And you have to just remember it or memorize it. So أخ is masculine, the number 4 should be feminine. So I have to pick أربعة and the noun should be plural. إخوة. أربعة إخوة. We have 2 and we have دفتر. Go back to dual noun, what I mentioned in the beginning. You suffix ألف نون or يا نون. So we say دفتران. It's enough to say دفتران. If you like to add اثنان, it's okay. If you say دفتران, it's enough. اثنان, I'm just adding number اثنان just to emphasize on the number 2. But even in formal language, if you say دفتران, it's enough. And this is the only time you don't have to use number, which with a dual noun. 1 and we have تفاحة. Then I have to follow 1 and 2 rules. Noun comes first. agree. And gender, تفاحة is feminine. The number should be feminine. Do I need a plural here? No. Please keep practicing and try to memorize the rules, because in the future I will add more rules, 11 through 20.